Don't do what's hip. Do what fits. Your life, your needs, your family. Join a sustainable work environment. You're a human, not a resource. Grow as big as you can and come as great as you are. Be a nerd. Be a clerk. Be a suit. Be a worker. Be a team player. Be a part of change. Like change is a part of us. Create the next small thing. Make what makes sense. And just stay normal. Yes, we are proud to be standard. The highest industry standard. Because we do our own kind of high-tech. High-tech, but down to earth. Join Wago.